Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use YouTube on your BlackBerry OS 10 devices. In this case, this is my BlackBerry Classic or the BlackBerry Q20. Obviously, you can't download the official YouTube apps anymore because this BlackBerry Classic is running Android Runtime 4.3 version, which is a super outdated one. Official way is not going to work. So the first one will be using the browser and search YouTube. Yeah, I know that this method is not the method that you guys looking for. You want an app. So the browser one is not too bad. You can sign in, you can do all the stuff, but it's still not an app. The second method will be download an app called SkyTube Legacy. It's a YouTube client app, third party. It's very lightweight in terms of app size, and it runs smoothly with your BlackBerry Classic and other BlackBerry OS 10 devices. If you want to know how to download this, I will share the link, the apps where I download these apps, the link, and also you guys can check it out my tutorial video on how to sideload apps, Android apps to your BlackBerry OS 10 devices. That video will teach you how to do it. So I'm not going to repeat it here. It will make the video way too long. I want to introduce this app to you guys. Alright, so I already installed to save time. Okay, so this is the apps itself. The interface, pretty simple, dark mode, everything good stuff. The trending tab is not working at the moment. This is my feed because just now I do click out my YouTube channel. You can search from here, search video, any YouTuber, a YouTube channel you like, you can search it. And the good thing about this apps, right, comes with a lot of feature actually. So we go to the preference, video player, you must click unsupported, the legacy unsupported, because the default one, it doesn't work for me. One of the really good feature is you can watch YouTube videos without ads. So we got video blockers, we got sponsor blockers. You can sponsor block, so no sponsor, no ads on any videos. So you can click on video blocker here. You can filter what channel that you don't want to watch. You can block it out, right? And so on. Import. And for import, you can import your subscription from YouTube. So all your channel, you can do it here like one by one, but import subscription is a more faster way. It's based on like file. So I'm not gonna mess with this because it's an option, but I'm not gonna do that. Privacy wise, clear search history, so on, network and download. You can download YouTube videos on this app, and the highest resolution go up to 2K, right? So you can watch it without ads. You can download video in high resolution, full HD and 2K. It's pretty good for a free apps. You get quite a number of features, like really good ones, others, the default tab. Okay, these are some. Okay, so these are the preferences. The only downside is you can't sign in your YouTube account here. Yeah, there's no way to do it. For example, I'm going to show you how it works, like watching videos. So scroll, I'm going to click this, right? So you see, just now I watch it for a while. So when you stop it, the next time you come back, it will ask you, do you want to resume or start it again? So I click no, then it will start it again. You can check the comment also. Right, to wait.
Yeah, sorry for the Americans.
Right, so on the right side, gesture base, swipe up, increase screen brightness, and going down will decrease the screen brightness. And on the left is volume, so you can adjust volume. Swipe up, volume, increase volume. Swipe down, decrease volume. That's easy. Very simple.
Yo, what's up everyone?
And
I'm Jackie.
when we pause it, there's more setting here. You can open with browser if you don't want to watch video on the apps. I don't know why you want to do that. And you can share videos to pretty much tons of options to do it. And also swipe from the bottom, swipe from the left side bottom to see the channel name, the views, and the video descriptions, and so on. All right. So you get all the YouTube information, but based on gesture. Of course, you can turn it off. Yeah, but I think the gesture, the way you interact the apps is super easy and fluent. I like it. Also, you get some feature that you won't find it on the official YouTube apps. Like you can view the thumbnail and download the thumbnail. Not just download the video, but you can download the thumbnail. That's interesting. If you swipe it like this, is for the command. Right, touch it, and again, you can bookmark the video. You can copy the URL. You can even subscribe it, even though you didn't sign in your YouTube account. So you can subscribe it, and it will show it on the main screen here, as you can see. That's my YouTube channel. All right. Okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't show the YouTube Shorts here. Yeah, it's just show a very limited information, playlist, video, but not shorts. But if I'm not mistaken, you can watch shorts here. Yeah, the trending, like I said, the trending tab is not working. Okay. All right, you can view shorts, but it's in like a usual long video. Okay. So you can't do the keep swiping up to the next shots. There are some limitation on this app, SkyTube, but it is what it is, right? I would say this apps is a good apps. You know, it's better than nothing. It's better than browser. It's lightweight, pretty smooth for most of the time, even though this BlackBerry Classic is using like super old processor, slow processor, right? It's still able to handle the apps. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. That's the SkyTube YouTube client apps for your BlackBerry OS 10 devices. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. I want to give thanks to Project Barry 2.0. This app is made by him or her. He made a lot of third-party apps that optimize for BlackBerry OS 10 devices. I will keep on making a tutorial video like this to showcase some other apps like the Google Maps and so on. So stay tuned for the videos. Remember to click the thumbs up, subscribe, comment down in the comment section below. What do you think about these apps? And share it to your friends and family. I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.